Are you concerned about your privacy and want to clear your browsing data history from the Samsung browser app? Don't be panicked. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear your browsing data and history on the Samsung browser app. It's quick, easy, and an essential step to keep your personal information safe. Let's get started. Open the Internet Browser app on your Samsung phone. Tap the three-dot menu icon, usually in the bottom right corner. Then tap Settings. Scroll down. Now go to Personal Browsing Data. Next, tap Delete Browsing Data. Select the types of data you want to clear: history, cookies, cache, etc. After that, hit Delete Data at the bottom. Finally, tap Delete from the pop-up to confirm. Alright guys, now you know how to delete data history from the Samsung Internet app on your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.